and salutations, it's your girl AHNYA, and I am back once again with another video. Let me tell y'all, I know it has been a long time, but I'm here to say Happy New Year! Happy New Year, and I am here to tell you that I'm back. But last semester was very stressful for me, if you guys don't know, because it was my first semester in the nursing program at my school. This semester, I want to say I'm back, I'm ready, I'm better. I will say that there will be a new video coming out soon. Basically me sitting down, talking to you guys, explaining to you what my channel is going to be like, how often I'm going to post, what I'm going to be doing. So follow me on Instagram at AHNYA TONIQUE. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram so that you guys can keep up with me. So let's stop talking and get right into the video. So first I'm going to start off by doing my eyebrows. I'm going to be taking the Black Radiance pomade in blackish brown, and I'm going to brush my eyebrow hairs. So you're going to brush your eyebrows hairs upward. I'm going to take the brush from Black Radiance and outline the bottom and the top of my brows. So my eyebrows are gonna look big, boxy, hefty, whatever you wanna call them. But I'm gonna clean them up with concealer and we're gonna snatch these babies. Period. So I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. And then I'm gonna go in with this angled brush. So now I'm gonna take this small beauty blender and this spray bottle and just spray the beauty blender. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. My transition color, I'm going to use this color right here, which is called Chip. So I'm basically gonna work backwards doing this look. I know I started off with a dark color, but I'm gonna go in with a lighter color now to complement the brown. Cause right now we look like we got a black eye, brown eye, but. So to complement this color, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. And this color is called Pukey. I'm also going to try to take a little bit of this color that's left on the brush and I'm just going to swirl it down into my inner corner just to kind of blend that out so that the lines don't look as harsh. So now I'm going to take that brush that I had before and just kind of blend that brown back in. I'm not going in with any color, I'm just going over what's left over on this brush. So we're gonna get this a little bit more spicy and we're gonna add, so we're gonna mix these two brown, which is called Central Park and Soda Pop. I'm gonna add more of this color than this color. I'm just gonna like swipe into this color. Okay, to make this a little incy weensy bit darker, I'm gonna add this Bliss, which is this black, but just a little bit. Like all you gotta do is swipe your brush in it, just like swipe. Like that's all you need. You don't need a lot. or maybe 2 swipes, and then I'll tap this in my crease to darken it up just a little bit, like that. So I'm gonna have a harsh line, and yes, this is what a harsh line looks like. I'm gonna go back into that brush that we had before, nothing on it, just what we had left over from when we previously used it, and I'm gonna blend this out. So now it looks like this. So I'm gonna cut the crease with the concealer that I used in the beginning on a flat brush. And if you have hooded eyelids, you want to go a little bit above your crease. So like, here's my crease. Like when I lift my eyes, that's my crease right there. So I'm gonna go a little bit above it just to define the area. But if you have like, if you don't have hooded eyelids and you have like a nice crease, then just cut your crease. Just when I say cut your crease, I mean follow your brush of full concealer on your crease line, and then you're gonna stop midway about here, and then we're gonna apply the glitter, the fun part. During this part, you really just have to take your time. It's really important, because if you don't take your time, it's not gonna turn out the way you want it. So I finally decided on the glitter that I want, and I'm going to do the sparkling orange glitter. It's the one that looks like this. So I will be using my Super Stronghold eyelash adhesive in clear. Looks like this. It is made by Kiss, and I'm gonna just plop this where I cut my crease already. Then just find you a flat brush, and you gonna plop that glitter on there, baby. So now I'm gonna just take me a cheap fluffy brush, you know what I'm saying, one of these, and I'm just gonna wipe the excess glitter off, the glitter that did not stick on my eye, like so. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with this black, just what was left over from me, and just go right over in that crease area again, just right in there. Just right in there, and then kind of swoop the rest of it in the glitter. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little incy bit more of that color of the Central Park, and I'm gonna go in right here where the glitter stops, and I'm gonna pat it in. So I'm gonna go in with the Milani Strobe Light in the color 4 and place this on my brow bone, sweetie. Yes, like right here. A bit, fade it out a little bit, blend it out. Yes. So I'm gonna add some mascara. Now I'm gonna go in with my Beauty of Jewel lashes in the color, in the style Flirtatious. Okay, and I'm gonna come back when the other side of my eye is done, okay? Okay. If you made it all the way through this video, you must like me, so go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, also hit the bell so you're notified when I post a new video, which will be every single week. But more details coming in the next video that you're going to see, so stay on the lookout for that. But of course you won't know unless you hit that bell. You won't know when I post, so make sure you hit the bell so next time you can see my newest video. I love you guys so much. XOXO. Peace. Running through my head in circles, tell me, is it gonna end?